So I'm very excited because I have received something that I've been waiting for a very long time. As most of you understand and know, that I am a very, very, very big follower of Ma Durga. I mean, follower would not even define what I feel for her, because she is my mother. I take her like my mother. Right from the time when I was a baby, I used to love Ma Durga. Right from the time, even before she arrived, I used to start crying because I felt that okay, she's coming and now she'll go away in a split moment, so to say. So I had ordered for something, and I think it was really unique and very beautiful because I love Ma Durga in any form, and I love having her home. So this is something, and I'd like to share with you all. So as I unwrap it, I want you all to see. So it's not yet unwrapped, but wait up. I'm so happy, I'm so glad. Other than a small little problem that has happened, Mahishasura's head was already cut off. So I had my little Mahishasura broken. But all in all, this is so beautiful. Just have a look.
মহিষাসুর মর্দিনী